Okay, I put wax in one side of the screw. Now I'm going to cover all the wax and screw and the wires with the heat shield material. And then I put flux on the area that I want to do the soldering. And I finish the soldering and show it to you how I do it. I check the screw in all angles to see if I position it exactly in the place that I want. When you finish the solder, that's it. You can't change anything. Okay, I cover the screw. I don't want to hit the screw at all. In some screws, the parts are made from plastic inside, so if you hit it, you may destroy the screw. So make sure you cover the screw. This one, this screw is a good one. It's all the parts are from metal, but I just cover it. In some books it says cut the wire first and then do the soldering. I found out if you cut it after your soldering, it's the same. The result is the same. That if you cut the wire before soldering, it takes a little bit more time. I think you have to position it twice and take it out, cut it back, put it back. So I want to do it faster, so I just ignore that step. Okay, this is hill shield. Now I put glass. Okay, I put flask everywhere. Okay, I first solder the area that is far away from my sticky wax that I secure the screw with. So, and I always do the soldering, start from the big solder to the smaller one. It's clear. Now it's time to first solder done. The solder wrap all the wire everywhere. Now I do the second one. Yeah, now. Second solder. Now I do this side. The flux is clear. It's time to bring the solder in. A little bit more. Okay, I finish all the solderings. I'm going to clean all the heat shield material and show it to you how to trim it.